How to share Spotify Wrapped on Instagram story, easy and quick. First, just go to Play Store. Here, make sure your Spotify is updated. Now, just open Spotify, and here, just click this one here, and let's go to this one, and last one, and then just wait for it. And just wait until you find here share, click on it, and as you see, it's easy. Here we'll find stories, then just click on it, click stories, and you will share it to your story, and that's it. And I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. Please don't forget to like, and please don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.